Hi, Cameron.
I got this box and Andy bite it. It makes sounds.
Yeah.
No, just squeak.
What is it?
It's Dino Chops.
Dino Chomps? It's
I
called
don't know
Dino. You don't know? It's called Dino Crunch.
They're the tails. Well, there's the dinos and beebles. Oh my god! Look at the dinos and the people.
Are there peoples in there?
Yeah, looky. And this is those, and these are leaf. Leaf. Oh, I see the instructions.
Instructions?
Oh, look. I see instructions, guys. And no eyes for the dinos. I need all of that. So, get the straw, and then you drink, and then you get crunch. Crunch that the dino.
What is So you put it all together?
I put it all together. Look. I got the dice.
Let me see
and
your...
the clipper.
Nice. Let me see your dice.
It said not get the white one.
Yeah, the white one means no eggs for you. And let me see your clippers.
This is a snake one.
What do you do with the clippers?
Get the dino out.
You get the eggs out.
The water dice.
And you're gonna steal the eggs from the Tyrannosaurus?
Yeah, and then right down.
Whoa.
The skin.
You ready to play?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's try.
No, I think
Okay. Don't wake him up. I go. That's cute. That's cute. I got the green one, guys. Now Cameron's turn. Let's see what he gets. Okay. Be careful. You can lift it up more if you want.
I'll make him up.
It made it. Oh! What happened, Cameron?
I'll wake him up.
Yeah. What happened? Talk to the camera. Look.